Heritage flight coming in. Heritage flight coming in. A10 P51. Come to practice with the EAA Airshow. The one in Oshkosh. We get planes over in the river. Yeah, like old warplanes come to practice. I think they're going to do a pass over the boat.
One of the years we went to
the EAA. Again? 50,000 tons! One Airshow!
Cool, because they started off, they had some World War II planes.
You know the porta potty car that is down there?
Korea.
Where are they?
Well,
you got the median and we're right over here.
Vietnam, and then they had some Desert Storm. And then brand new, and it was like, and it was, they basically demonstrated the difference in closing, and it was just like, it was really cool.
Oh, yeah. It would be.
Yeah, we were in Madison.
There's a bunch of water up here. Oh, there they come! Dad, look that way! Dad!
Oh, here they come.
Look that way! Here they come, guys. There's way. Yeah, you missed the B-1 bomber. He was super raw.
Yeah, the doors just fly over and they were just hauling over in Madison that plane. We went to the road last night. It was alright. Show her a better fireworks show.
Be careful by the steps, okay?
That.
You part on the Hello. Hello. Calvin, can where did you come from? That way. Yeah. Can I come stay with you? I said, Daddy, I want to see what it looks like from up here. Wow, it is wet up here, isn't it? It's cool from up here.
Oh.
It's cool from up here. This should be fun getting down. I'm a light rock. Here they come. They're going to come over the boat. I'm a dashing their phone if they come. That's why the boat's rocking. Dad, they're coming over the boat! Coming over the boat. Oh my God! Oh, maybe not directly over the boat, but still whoa. Tanner! Look!
Yeah. I lost 11 pounds this week at work.
Yeah, because your shorts are falling out from underneath the belt.
Warehouse. Another beer. And we handle like 3 times the amount of beer that we do there.
Well, Heritage Flight.
Not only that, but I found